In 1932, something terrifying began. But it didn't happen in a haunted house, and it wasn't caused by monsters. It was done by people, right here in America. This is the story of a government experiment. It lasted 40 years, and it destroyed hundreds of lives. This is a story of betrayal, silence, and a truth the world was never meant to know. In Macon County, Alabama, hundreds of African American men were offered free health care. They were poor, they were sick, and they trusted the doctors. They were told they had something called bad blood. They were told they would be treated. They were told they would be helped. But that was a lie. These men were infected with syphilis, a deadly disease. By the 1940s, a cure already existed. Penicillin could have saved them. But the doctors chose not to give it. No treatment, no warning, no choice. The men were not patients. They were test subjects. Doctors watched as their bodies slowly failed. They wrote notes. They collected data. Bones weakened. Hearts failed. Minds broke. Some men died. Others passed the disease to their wives. Children were born sick. And still, the experiment continued. They were dying, and the government was watching. Imagine learning the truth decades later, finding out the people you trusted let you die on purpose. The medicine was there, the cure was real, but it stayed locked away while human lives were treated like numbers. This experiment didn't just kill people. It destroyed trust. It taught generations to fear the system meant to protect them. For 40 years, the truth was hidden. Behind paperwork, behind calm voices, behind white coats. No consent, no cure, only observation. Families suffered in silence, never knowing why. In 1972, the truth finally came out. The study was stopped. By then, dozens of men were dead. Hundreds more were harmed. Families were broken forever. All of it was preventable. The real horror isn't just what happened. It's that it didn't have to happen at all. Some people call this history. Some call it science. But when a government chooses data over human life, that is horror. That is betrayal. That is the Tuskegee syphilis study. Monsters don't always hide in the dark. Sometimes they wear white coats.